Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled vegetables. Pickling is a fantastic way to preserve your favorite produce, transforming ordinary vegetables into tangy, flavorful treats. It involves submerging vegetables in an acidic brine, which not only extends their shelf life, but also infuses them with incredible taste. We'll cover everything from selecting the right vegetables to the final storage, ensuring your homemade pickles are a delicious success. Gathering your ingredients is the first step. You'll need fresh, crisp vegetables, a good quality vinegar, water, and pickling salt. Avoid iodized salt as it can cloud your brine. For equipment, ensure you have clean glass jars with tight-fitting lids, a large pot for the brine, and accurate measuring tools. Don't forget your favorite spices like dill, garlic, or red pepper flakes to customize the flavor profile. Now for the fun part, the pickling process. Start by thoroughly washing and preparing your vegetables. You can slice cucumbers into spears, cut carrots into sticks, or leave green beans whole. Next, prepare your brine by combining vinegar, water, pickling salt, and your chosen spices in a pot. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil. Carefully pack your prepared vegetables into clean jars, then pour the hot brine over them, ensuring they are fully submerged. Seal the jars tightly. For best results, allow your pickled vegetables to sit for at least 24 hours before enjoying, letting the flavors meld. Store your sealed jars in the refrigerator, where they will remain fresh and delicious for up to 2 months. Remember, you can always experiment with different vegetables, vinegars, and spice combinations to find your perfect pickle. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.